Good morning, people. Welcome back to the channel. 6 in the morning. Everyone's still sleeping. I'm meeting my brother Rushy to get some miles in, so let's get some electrolytes down us and let's get going. Alright, brother. Pleasure.
You're going another 4 miles now?
We are out this lovely morning.
Hello everybody.
At Freshnam Little Ponds. There's not that much parking over there, it's quite busy today.
He's like, up, she's trying to get up. You can't go under it. Can't go under it. We've got to go.
We're just out in our favourite area. It's a little beach area now, we're in the woods. Gonna head up to the lovely viewpoint. It's a nice day actually, a bit chilly, but yeah.
Literally.
A bit chilly, but when the sun's out it's nice.
Yeah. The wind that's cold.
A lovely bench there, and then that's the viewpoint there. You've got another viewpoint just down there. Well, some people are sitting there, so we come to this one. Lovely. Hide.
Daddy.
Boo!
Wow!
Hello, mate.
Aw. Bench. Do you want to sit on the bench?
You get a beard trim, but we are back at home now. Going up to the weekend. Got a lot of stuff planned for this weekend. Just changing out. I've got a dog food delivery, so I'm just sorting that all out now. So it's done out of the way. So let's begin. Sides here, dirty. Look all here. Oh, lovely, lovely. So ordered some dog food. Rang up prior to sort it all out, the dog food, because I was changing it. This was probably around about 2 months ago. So I had leftover bags, and basically I needed to change Rex's dog food because the food he was having, he kept getting runs from it, and he was good with the other food. So rang them up, sorted that out, asked for the next order, so they'll be coming in the next coming days. The order, see the order, and I've got the wrong dog food. Wrong dog food, so I've had to make an email, use the company credit card to order some more dog food really. So That is what they're on currently, which is fine. And then I also have the other one, it's hypoenergetic. But this one is not good for them. It's just too much fat in it. I'm going to leave it here for this evening, people. And then I shall see you tomorrow for a busy day tomorrow. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Good morning. We're awake, people. We are awake. I woke up a bit earlier than the others. Woke up around about 6 to take the dogs out. They're still sleeping. I've just got the Grinch on in the background. So just watching that, Little's still asleep. Yeah, I am really looking forward to this Christmas this year because he is so much more aware. He will be amazed by the Christmas lights this year. I look forward to seeing his reaction. I've got to take some marshmallows with me this year because every time we go, I forget to bring the marshmallows, and obviously they're quite expensive and they've got like 5 there, so I'm going to bring my own. And then yeah, it's a bonfire night tonight, this evening, and then do some bits and bobs today, and then Sunday Christmas decks are coming out, so he's going to help out with them, get it all situated, placed out, so we're good to go and get prepped for Christmas. On top of that, I'm debating whether or not to get a new, I keep saying it, but I might get a new mini camera today just for fitness related stuff for running, and then a something else completely forgot, but yeah. He's a mess doing the washing, but what are you watching? You're watching the Grinch. Say good morning.
Oh.
This is my favourite new little spot.
Yeah, it's a good filming area.
The VPN flights. So ordered the camera, got to pick it up later on, but we're just going to go off to the range now.
God, we've not been shopping in the range
For 2 years, I think, maybe. Yeah, probably like 2 years probably, but yeah, let's go have a look. Yeah. We're driving today.
Hello everybody.
This seat is
Hello, everybody.
so forward.
Who, mine?
No, he's because of the car seat.
Oh. Yeah, but think about mine. Mine is way forward than yours. So where are we going first? The range?
Yeah. The range looks like it's about to roll.
Mommy!
I hope it doesn't tonight because that will really pee me off.
Baby now.
Come on in. Hold it, don't drop it. And that's Daddy's new mug. Santa's now.
I quite like this one, but I also really like that Santa Claus one. But they're quite hard to drink out.
Yeah, that's quite cool.
Hey, that does this one.
Oh.
No.
No, don't want this. Put that one back.
Number the back. Oh, baby mama.
Whoa.
Chocolate Factory, 30 quid. Wow, that Ferris wheel is so cool.
Right, so we need to pick out our little vintage set. We collect them every year. And this one, I don't know what we're going to get this year.
Oh, that's quite
Which
cute.
one do you want, mate?
No, what?
Really. Full trolley's worth.
Well, we love our Christmas.
Christmas.
Christmas. Careful.
Yo, gangsters. We are
Daddy, where are you?
off to Bonfire night. I'm not going to make like this, don't worry. But I went to Argos to get the new camera. The new camera is now good to go for running. I'm gonna prep that later on, but I'm gonna leave the camera here and I'll record on my phone some of the explosions. All right, so I'll see you later. Whoa! We driving, Rylan. Beep beep.
What is that? Look, who is it? Wow.
Okay, so we're just prepping for tomorrow's half marathon. Aim is to put my stats when I do the run, so bear with me because I'm just testing out all the new camera gear, the new vlogging camera. Well, I still use this as a vlogging camera, but when I'm out and that and I want to be a bit more discreet as well, then I'll use this. This small thing is the Insta360 Go Ultra. I can take it out of that magnetic case and then use it. So it's quite cool to be honest. So that's what we're doing. Just gonna prep my electrolytes, get my bag packed, and I shall see you tomorrow morning. We're in the mix. Let's go. Good morning, people. Just gonna have some brekkie coffee, repping the rifles today for Remembrance Sunday. Let's get a good time. So we are here picking up my mate. He's coming as well as his family. Bye. There's his family. There he is. By himself there. Putting stuff in the van. And we're ready for the race. The stuff you need to do when you have kids is unreal. The logistics is no joke, I'm telling you that. It's no joke. It's not straight away just get your shoes on, get your food, go mate. It's you gotta do everything.
It's a good time though.
Yeah, very good time. Anyways, let's hit the road. Wow, we're here, we've got loads of time. Nice and early. Sending the ladies the location for the car park. Right, we are about to begin this race. I can see the mass start coming along now. So wish me luck and let's hope we get the time we want.
You alright, mate? It's your first one. Cheers. Cheers, mate. Cheers, sir. Rylan. Rylan.
Rylan. It's honey.
This is heavy. Whoa. Yeah. I know you want to cuddle.
Wow.
Whoa, heavy.
Yeah, I actually didn't mind it.
I wish you had because you need to grab. When you got to turn and grab, it got kind of a bit awkward. Personally.
Yeah, what I done is I ran to the aid station first, grabbed it all,
and
then turned around and chucked it all in the bin. Sorry peeps, I'm still getting used to this camera. It died like on the second lap or some sort, so yeah, I don't know what kind of footage I've got. I kept trying to press it, try to get to the finish line. I think I need a better SD card. So yeah, I need to check my time properly, see what time I got there, half marathon, and then yeah, rejig this camera. Alright, back from the race, had a shower. It's now time to go up the good old loft and get the decorations out, and let's begin. Alright, wish me luck. Let's hope there's no squirrels up there or anything like that. Alright. back at work. Just went gym, finished off gym. Good old gym session, getting ready for the High Rocks doubles in December in London. But yeah, I don't think I updated you on the half marathon. So before I'd done the half marathon again, bear with me because I'm trying to adjust to the new camera and get used to it and when to record and when not to. Because it's a cool camera, it does all the stats, which is wicked. So there'd be a lot more running content coming from that. But at the same time, look, half marathon, my goal was always to get an hour and 20. I always wanted an hour and 20, but I always struggled to get an hour and 20. I was already getting first ever half marathon I done, I got an hour and 29, right? And I was in a bad way for that. Then it went down to like an hour and 25, then to an hour and 24, and then I kept hitting around about an hour and 22. Hour and 22, I couldn't break that hour and 20. I wanted that hour, sub hour 20, I could never break it. And then it came to, look, this half marathon here, and I broke the hour 20, I got an hour 19 and 23 seconds or some sort. So that's my new PB. I'm very happy with the performance. I'm very, very happy indeed. You know, I strive to get good times, and as time progresses, as time goes on, you know, I want to be doing more popular half marathons with good competition there as well, just to see where I'm at on the tables. Like this one here, for example, this is half marathon, I came first on this one. Now I know I'm not going to be coming first on these other marathons, especially the popular ones, because as the more elite runners come in, like I'm nowhere to be seen on that table. So, you know, we will push. I don't want to be that kind of guy who gives up. The only time I was close from hanging it all in was I'll be honest, was a 100k ultra when I'd done that in Wales, and that was probably the toughest thing I've done because of one, the heat, and I'm pretty sure I had heat stroke on that bad boy because I was in a bad way in that. But you know, I kept going, and I've done that. And where am I going with this? Like, I will continue to do events, and you know, if anyone was ever to invite me to something or do something, an event, you know, I'll always go and I'll get my all. I'm always ready. I'm always ready for anything, and I'll always be good to go. So realistically, half marathon got a PB. I'm happy with that. We're going to keep pushing to get better times, and hopefully we can get some good positions. Fingers crossed. But yeah, follow me on the journey. You know, it's just me trying to be the better me, and you know, hopefully we can get there. And you know, I'll strive for all of you lot to do the same. Really, don't just go to work, go home, sleep, wake up, go to work, go home, sleep, wake, the same old routine. Try and push yourself. You know, and I try and fit a lot of stuff into my life, and especially when it comes to events. Like, so I want my son to see myself striving to be the best me, so then he can see, like, look, that's my dad, and you know, one day we will be running together, and he'll be able to play catch up. So, and I want to be that kind of role model for him. So yeah, just strive to be the best you, and keep pushing. It's not really much of a motivational talk because I'm not really good at motivational speeches, but just stay disciplined, keep going, and you know, don't give up. Take it from there. Other than that, that is it. The update's done. I'm very, very happy with that, and I'm going to push again and do another half marathon soon.